Hey folks, it's me, and we're starting our next to last unit, Unit 14. And the first part we're going to talk about is central angles. And we're back to circles. Sorry. So, central angles, these are the angles inside a circle that are what we've already looked at with arcs and sectors. So, it has to create a copy. It doesn't like where I'm at. Okay, so now, here we go. A central angle is an angle with the vertex at the center of a circle, and its two sides are radii. For example, angle B, angle ABC, is a central angle in circle B. This one right here, let me go in red. Right here, that's a central angle. The sum of the central angles in a circle is 360 degrees. The measure of the arc formed by the endpoints of a central angle is equal to the degree of the central angle. Okay, so if we were to look at this one, measure of AC, I'm going to go in purple. AC right here would be what? 84. The measure of ADC, this big one, we'd have to subtract from 360. So 360 minus 84 is 276 degrees. Okay? So that's not too hard. Let's look at some examples. So let's look at number 1. The measure of ST, that's this one right here. That one's easy. That's 122 degrees. Well, the measure of RS, that's this one. I'm going to change colors to red. RS is that one. What do you think RQT, is that a half circle? Sure. So I can take 180 minus 122 and get 58. So RS is 58 degrees. And the last one is SRT. SRT. So then what I want to do is take 180, because this one is right down here is 180, and add this one, 58. I want to add this time, and I get 276. 276 degrees. So sometimes we'll add, sometimes we'll subtract. Okay, let's look at another example. So this one goes back to when we were doing vertical angles. So vertical angles means that we have angles that are vertical, they make a V. So angle JNK and angle MNL are the same. So I'm going to write 21 right here. So angle arc JK, this arc up here, is the same as the angle JNK. So it's 21 degrees. And the arc KL, I'm going to do in red, this arc right here, makes a full circle, so 180, a half circle, minus 21 is 159. If I do my math right. So this one is 159. 159 degrees. What do you notice about JNM? Angle JNM is 159 degrees also. So that means that JM, arc JM is 159. But I don't need arc JM. Do I? No, but I need angle JNM, and it's 159 degrees. I do need arc JKM. JKM. So I'm going to go 180 degrees plus 21. 180 degrees plus 21. Do you see where it's starting right here? That's 180 degrees. Plus a little bit more is 21. So that's 201. Is that right? Yep. 201 degrees. One more. Oh, let's see. Let's do gold. MKL. M to K to L. Well, it's going a whole 360 degrees plus another 21 degrees. So that's 381 degrees. Isn't it? MKL. Am I right? The answer key says I'm wrong. It says 339. M to K all the way around to L. I'm going to go with 381. I'll figure it out later if I'm wrong. Okay, so let's see what else we have. All right, so here we are with another example. We need the measure of angle UXV. UXV. Well, we don't have enough for that one right now. So let's go ahead and label what we do have. WXS is 72. How do I know that? Well, because the arc is 72. Well, now I have a line. I have 87 plus 72. That's 9, 159. Take away from 180. And I should have 21. Is that right? Yes. So ST, SXV, SXT. So ST, this one right here, is 21. So there's 21 degrees. Now I have 21 right here. Can I figure out UXV? Sure. So 87 plus 21 is 108. Take away from 180. That's 2, that's 7, 72. Is that correct? looks like it. So this angle is 72 degrees. 72 degrees. Now I need WV. I need this angle right here. Well, I know I've got 72, 21, 87, and 72. So can I subtract all of that from 360? Sure. So 72, 72, 87, 21. That's 4, 11, 12, 10, 24, 25. 360 minus 2252. That's an 8. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, 8, 0, 1. 108. So this is 108 degrees. So WV is 108 degrees. TW. TW is 72 plus 21 is 93. TVW. I'm going to do a different color, purple. TVW is 87 plus 72 plus 108. 10, 17, 16, 267. Okay. See how that works? All right, let's try another one. All right. This one has a marking in it that's familiar to us. It's got a 90-degree angle. So this one is 90 degrees. So this one is 90 degrees on top. So this one is also 90 degrees. So is this one. This one happens to be 34 degrees. But the whole angle is 90. So 90 minus 34 is 56. So this one is 56 degrees. So let's do our angles. CD is 90 degrees. FD, F to D, 90 plus 34 is 4, 12, 124. DCF, oops, wrong way. DCF. I'm going to take away the 124 from 360. Why would I do that? Well, 134 and 124 is what's left over. So that's a 6, 4, 5, 256. 256? No, 236. $236. And the last one, GDF is 360 minus 56. So 403. 304? Yeah. Okay. Pretty easy? Should be. All we're doing is subtracting, a little bit of adding. Let's see if we can get a little harder here. Find each value or measure. Well, let's see here. RS and TS, RS, arc RS, plus the measure of ST equal 180. Because here's this one. plus this one, and they're on a straight line. So it's half a circle. So RS is 15x minus 26 plus 26 equal 180. So now I'm going to combine like terms. Minus 26 plus 26, that cancels. So I have 15x equal to 180. Divide by 15. X equals 12. And there's my answer. Okay. Let's try another one. Let's see if we can get a little harder here. So we have 180. Let's see. 15. Okay, 103 is right here. So this one must be 180 minus 103. So that's a 77. This one is 77 degrees. So I have measure of DH plus the measure of DE plus the measure of EF equal to 180. So let's fill in what we know. 15 plus 18x minus 2 plus 77 equal to 180. 15 plus 77 minus 2. So 13 plus 77 is, let's see, it would be a 0, 8, 9, 90 plus 18x equal 180. Subtract 90 and we get 18x equal to 90. X equal to 5. And there's our answer. All right. Two more slides. What do we know about these two? This angle is congruent, is equal to that angle. So AED, measure of AED equals the measure of BEC. So I could say 8x plus 12 is equal to 10x minus 22. So I'm going to move the 8x over here and move the 22 over here. So that will give me 2x. 22 plus 12 is 22, 32, 34. So x is equal to 17. So here's 17. Measure of AD. So now I need to plug in 8 times 17 minus 12, or plus 12. So 8 times 17, that's 6. 5 plus 8 is 36. 13 plus 12, that's an 8. That's a 4. 148. Measure of CD. All AD and CD add up to 180. So 180 minus 148. That's a 2. That's a 3. 32. And then angle BDC, all the way back around. So 360 plus BD all the way back around to C. So if this one is 148, this one's 148. So B to B is 360 plus 148. It's an 8. That's a 10, 4, 5. 508. Oh, I did it backwards. Scratch that. Scratch that. You're going, yes, Miss Rogers, we know you did it backwards. B, D, C. So 180 plus, what is C, 32? 180 plus 32. That's a 2. That's an 11. 212? Yep, 212. All right, one more. Okay, one more. So we have a 90-degree angle right here. This one's not marked. We don't have a diameter. So we have to figure things out on here. So I know that the measure of XY plus the measure of YV plus the measure of VW plus the measure of WX equals 360. So let's add what we know. XY, 10x plus 9. YV, 90. Plus VW, 8x. Plus WX, 21x minus 12 equal to 360. So I'm going to underline my x's. So 10, 21, 31, 39. 39 x's. I want to underline my constants. Let's see. 99 minus 12, 99, 89, 87. Plus 87 equal to 360. So now I'm going to subtract 87 minus 87. That's a 3. That's a 5. 3, 7, 273 equal to 39x. Let's see. I'm going to guess that it's going to be a 7. We can always use a calculator. 7 we're going to we'll multiply by 9, 63 times. 6 times. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 7 plus 6 is 7. 27. Yeah. So x equal 7. X equals 7. That's without doing it with a calculator. If you're doing it with a calculator, you're just checking my answers. Okay, so I'm going to erase some of this stuff. All right. WX. WX is this one right here. And we're going to plug in 21 times 7 minus 12. So 21 times 7 is 1, 4, 7 minus 12. It would be a 5, 3, 135. Am I right? Yep. WX, or YW, sorry, YW, this one right here. I need to plug into 8X. 8 times 7 equals 56. And I'm going to add 90 to it. So that's a 6, 4, 146. YX. That one is this one right here. 10 times 7 plus 9, that's 79. And VXW, I want to do that one in green. I'm going to do green. VXW. So I'm just going to take away 56 from 360. So 360 minus 56. That's a 4. That's a 0. That's a 3. 304. Do you see how I just took away instead of added everything? Because this pi wedge is being taken away. All right. That's all we need to know about central angles. Hope you have a good luck on the worksheet. If you need help, let me know.